Hello, welcome to Tea and Biscuits, and I'm in Northfield, Minnesota with my kids and my sister to attend a special lunch. Well, this is Contented Cottage Bed and Breakfast, and we have a reservation for afternoon tea here. Is it pretty? A lot of greenery. Wow. Stayed here overnight and saw that they had a bed, so I thought I'd try it out. Wow, look at that. This is the inside of the bed and breakfast. And it's also over here. So this is a broccoli and cheddar soup. It's actually very tasty. And they have, I think you guys said it was maybe a cherry scone. And then my tea here. The look and texture of this scone was really different from anything I've ever had before, but it was quite tasty.
Yeah, I think it's like cherries inside.
There wasn't any clotted cream or jam, but you could put butter on it. But I ate it just plain.
Wow, these yummy chicken salad, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, ham salad sandwiches. The kids took all the other ham sandwiches already.
Big chunks of chicken in there. What's the purple? Grapes or something?
I don't know.
We were then served this lovely homemade cream puff with fresh cream and chocolate sauce. We left today's afternoon tea extremely full and satisfied. It was definitely a wonderful afternoon. Thank you for watching.